How to block somebody on YouTube. Hey bestie, so you created a content and somebody says something really annoying and you feel like blocking the person. I got you.
Open your YouTube app, tap on your profile picture. It will take you down to your channel. Go to the comment or video that has the comment. Tap on this three dots that is by your right hand side. You see pin, remove, report, add as moderator, add as approved user, hide from channel. So if you want to hide from channel, just tap on this and you see hide user. Hide this comment and feature comments from this user. That's how you go about hiding a comment from a user on your YouTube app. But if you want to do it on your dashboard, that is your YouTube studio, just come and type studio.youtube on Google. It is the same process with laptop. So just type studio.youtube. It will take you down to your YouTube backend. By your lower left hand side, you see a little setting icon. If you tap on community, this is where you're coming, and then you see managing moderators, standard moderators, approved users, hidden users. So this is where the list of hidden users is. Let's say if I have hidden users on my laptop, if I have hidden users on my channel, this is where the list would be, and I can remove any hidden user I want to remove, and as well add a hidden user by pasting the channel URL. That's how you go about hiding a user from your channel if they become unruly. Yeah, I hope you found this very useful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely share this with anybody that needs the information. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.